All right, WMC, this is a video to find our two winners for the Treasure Chest Mini. This is Mini number 1. Again, 2 spots we're looking for. So we checked the time, April 7th at 5:30 p.m. I'm going to go over to the break, or the Raz, and type live. We have April 7th at 5:30 p.m. There is the list of our 26 entries. We are going to randomize your names, and then the top 2 after the final roll both win spots in the main for the treasure chest. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John and John. So John and John, you will both get spots in the treasure chest, which guarantees you a win. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 7th, 5:30 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.